Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the screen rotation not working issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, try restarting your mobile. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here click on this power icon. Now here click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your mobile. And after restarting it will fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then the next solution is open Play Store and go to search bar and search sensor test. Now from here click on this application and install it, and after installing this sensor test application click on open. Now from here test the accelerometer, and from here after testing the accelerometer your problem will be fixed. But if you're still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings, and then here again click on reset settings option to reset your mobile settings. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.